Hello everyone, welcome back to our second video on how to write or how to code using HTML scripting. In this second video, we're going to look at how to start with the structure of your HTML file. So to start, we switch back to our code environment, which is this one. This was a file that we created in our previous video. So in any HTML file, you have to start with a tag HTML. Luckily enough, if you are working with with the Sublime file, what you need to do is to only type the HTML tag, which will complete that. So the moment you type HTML, you press tab key, it will complete the structure for your HTML file. So let's look at this particular structure. In every HTML file, you must have a HTML tag opening and a HTML tag closing. This constitutes the beginning and to the end, constitutes your your page. Then within a page, you have a header, you have a body, and sometimes you have even a footer. So a header is created with these two tags, the head opening tag and the head closing tag. So each block like this, each text like this, with a upper less than and a greater than symbol that includes the name of that particular element, is called a tag, or in some instance is called an element. So it's all the same thing whether you call it a tag or an element. So this signifies the head of your file. That is where if you go to a browser, this particular area that has the title of your page. So this is called a head. When you create a head, it will define what is going to be displayed here. So the text is defined using the title tag. So whatever you put here, it will give you the title to your page. If let's go back to our browser and paste that particular URL. So you see, we have a header consists of the name of our file. That is the index.html is the default title because we don't have any title. In a situation whereby if we put a title, we refresh by clicking this icon, or we click here and press enter, it will display the title of our page, of our page. So this is how to define a title. And whatever you want it to be displayed on your on your page, you have to come to the body and type. If I am to type hello, for example, the normal hello world, and I go back to my browser, if I click refresh, it will display hello world to my page. So whatever you want to display, if you are using HTML, you just go to the body, you type whatever you want to display. You want to display. You type another one, but when you have multiple lines, it will just continue. But over the videos, we are going to cover how to create a second line, how to display a title, how to display a text or a list or something like that. But this one is the introduction to just typing whatever you want to type within your file. So I'd like to stop here. In our next video, we'll start by taking each element, each tag, new tag, we introduce new tag and see the application of that particular tag. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.